Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. This is my own Sdlc, the wave model. So, muna akong diagram about sa wave model na si planning, si requirements analysis, the system design and implementation, and the deployment and maintenance. So, in here, makita ninyo na requirements analysis and implementation is nagabilong gapon siya og testing. Sa requirements is nagapon siya testing ug implementation nagapon siya testing. And sa system design is naga-involve gapon siya og testing, and sa deployment is involved gapon siya og testing. So while nagdevelop ka og usa ka product or usa ka system, nagapon siya testing nga mahitabo nga in developing stage nagapon siya testing nga mahitabo para dali niyo ma-identify kung unsa ang mga bugs nga dapat ninyo nga ma-fix. So ang features sa akong Sdlc model is ang planning, the requirements analysis, system design, implementation, deployment, and maintenance. So the planning, so mo ni siya the first phase of the Sdlc nga sa web model nako is the project planning stage, where you are gathering business requirements from your client or stakeholders. So this phase is when you evaluate the feasibility of creating the product, revenue potential, the cost of product, the needs of the end user, or etc. So diri ang akong gibutang nga planning kay kibali ang project manager is magplano siya kung unsay dagan sa iyang software or unsay mga requirements nga need sa iyang software, kung pila magastos siyang software nga iyang buhaton or product. So diri sa requirement analysis is the requirement phase is where you decide upon the foundation of your software. It tells your development team what they need to be doing, and without this, you would be unable to do their jobs at all. So, sa requirement analysis, dinaday nila nga analyze na nila kung unsay needs sa atong user. So, kung unsa ang ilang ipabuhat, kung unsay gusto nga ma-meet nga requirements sa user, so ang project manager iingon dan niya sa iyang team, sa iyang development team, kung unsay need nila buhaton. So the system design. So the system design phase is a stage where software developers define the technical details of product depending on the project. These details can include screen designs, databases, sketches, system interfaces, and prototype. Client use these details to make final product design. So kani ang system design, so mura gapon ni siya og architecture. So dirian niya nga ma-identify kung unsa nga klase nga system nga buhaton, ang structure sa database, ang structure po sa user interfaces. So diri na nila ma-meet kung unsa ang kaya nga buhaton sa usa ka product or software. So implementation. This phase initiated after the system has been tested and accepted by the user. In this phase, the system is installed to support the intended business functions. System performance is compared to performance objective established during the planning phase. So this is the implementation. Mao na siya ang kung unsa ang functions sa imong product and the system or software. And diri na po sa deployment phase is the final step of the software development life cycle. So in the process of developing software that's of the highest quality, it helps engineering teams save money and time while producing software that ideal for their customers. So deployment, so mo ni siya ang ang ihatag sa client nimo nga i-deploy na nimo ang usa ka software, usa ka product. So involved po diri ang deployment with testing. So in order to deploy, tapos sila testing kung unsa ilang gusto nga unsay feedback sa usa ka client nga unsa pay kaya nga buhaton, unsa pay kaya nga idugang sa inyong product or sa system. So maintenance, so mo na siya ang the maintenance phase of the software development life cycle is where the software is monitored to ensure it continues to function as it was designed to, and repairs or upgrade are performed as needed. The maintenance phase occurs on the software is fully operational. So diri na sa maintenance, so imo na gid siyang i-maintain ang imong after sa deployment na gid na ang maintenance. So i-maintain na nimo ang usa ka product or software. So mag-fixing bugs na kadiri. So kung unsa pay kaya i-maintain sa imong product or software. So ang advantages ani nga model, ang advantages sa wave model. So now number 1 is improve quality. When using an wave methodology, teams can break down project into sprints and collaborate with one another to provide high quality results. So number 2, speed and flexibility. The second benefits of using wave is its speed and flexibility. This practice place change at the heart of its development. If there is deviation from the initial objectives, the approach and processes are immediately adapted to meet the new needs. So, ang ikatulong advantages is cost control. An wave method can also be used to improve cost control. After each stage, the team reviews the budget when making future decisions. Then they decide if they will continue, suspend, or cancel tasks or even project itself. So, the disadvantage na pod sa akong own model nga gibuhat. Ang disadvantage na akong gibutang diri kay it can be difficult to predict efforts such as cost, time, and resources at the beginning of the project. And sa ikatulo kay it can be difficult to implement since people naturally resist changes. So kana dagang difficult kay siya i-implement kay nay uban client if urada-urada pud ang ilang pag change, kung unsa pa i-change nila, kung unsa pa i-dugang. So difficult gid siya i-implement. So teams can get sidetracked if they don't see any progress. So mao ra ni akong mahatag nga about sa akong gihimo nga Sdlc model. So mao ni siya ang akong diagram or akong graph or diagram. So the planning, implementation, the system design, the implementation, deployment, and maintenance. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.